Hey trophies, and welcome back to my channel. It is Sophie, your favorite trophy, and today I'm back again with another makeup video. Today I tried putting on contour before my foundation. That's a trend that's going around these days, and I wanted to hop on it, of course, because I love makeup and I love trying new things. If you like what you see in this video, just a quick reminder that I do weekly beauty related videos. In the next clip, what you're gonna see is me putting on contour. I did not show my eye look. If you want to see that, stay tuned. I'm gonna have a whole tutorial on how I do my eyebrows as well as my eyeshadow my eyeshadow look. Once again, I upload twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, so please tune in. And so we're gonna start with highlight. I'm gonna be using Tarte. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start highlighting the areas on my face that I would like to highlight. I'm trying a new contour style today. So the areas that I'm going to be highlighting today are under my eyes, the top of my forehead right here, down my nose, down right here. I'm just going to put some around my smile line as well as around my nose so that I don't waste any makeup, because you know we don't waste makeup around here. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna be putting down the highlight around the areas of my smile line. I'm gonna now put that highlight around my nose, apply some on my forehead right here, not a lot, go down the bridge of the nose as well as right here and underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna drag it out a little bit on the side of my eyes so it gives me more of a lift. Of course, when you're using concealer to highlight, you always want to go a shade above your natural skin tone or whatever you prefer. Some people go 1, 2, 3. It's all up to you, honestly. To contour and just carve out my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Espresso. Let me show you guys what it looks like on my skin. So what I'm gonna do, just like with the highlight, I'm gonna put the matchstick on areas that I want to put the darker contour shade. So I'm gonna be applying it right near where my natural contour line is, which is right here. And I'm not going too much because, as I said, I'm trying a new method. So I'm going to try to do this not as much as I usually do, but just follow along the lines of your face. Also, put some right on the outside of where you have that light contour shade, the bridge of your nose, a little bit on the forehead. Woo! I just dropped something. Okay, and right here. So as I mentioned before, I'm not going too much with the contour. So this is what it's looking like right now. Let me take a step back so that you guys can see. I'm going to start blending this out. I'm going to go from light to dark. I also forgot to mention that you want to put some like right here. Now, the way I'm contouring my face is based on an oval shaped face, which is what I have, sort of on the lines of oblong. So if you guys have a face similar to mine, I would definitely try this contour out. But if you're just here to react to me putting on contour before my foundation, so I'm just gonna wet this brush. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, and I'm just gonna be very careful. I'm starting out with the darker shade, and then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to do the other parts of my face. Now I know why people have those clips coming soon. My hair is all over the place, but I look cute today, right guys? Okay, so oop, and oop. I have to wet it first because it's not working. My beauty blender is already damp, but I'm gonna freaking wet it a little bit more with some spray. Because when your concealer is kind of like sitting for a while, it can get kind of dry and you don't want that. Okay, I'm actually really liking this contour technique. I don't know about you guys if you can see a difference from my previous videos, but going in with those target areas, especially when you have a longer face like me, I think it looks really good. Honestly guys, I'm liking this more than like actually putting on foundation first. Like I can, like depending on how this looks once I'm done, I can totally see me doing this even if I'm not gonna put on crazy amount of like foundation, because it's looking good. It's looking good, you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna go up here. I'm sorry, I'm so weird how I choose where I like begin and like what I'm doing. I just kind of like go with the flow. So another good tip that you can use whenever you're contouring, even if like you already have your foundation on first, always go from dark to light and then back to the dark, because oh my gosh guys, this looks so good. I'm shook. I'm really shook right now. I mean, it's looking good like here. I don't know like in the camera. So now that I kind of like blended it out a bit on my face, I'm just gonna go in with my Dior foundation. Okay, you guys, so I just put the foundation over the contour, and I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it looks better? Do you think there's any difference? Can you see the contour? Um, like, I mean, it looks pretty. It really does. It looks nice. Like, I like it. Um, it I feel like it looks different in person. It looks pretty. It does. It really does look pretty. I think I might start doing this. Like, it actually looks cool. I think I like it. Do you guys like it? I do. Like, you definitely should try this out. Maybe I'm being biased. I don't know. I still think I need to do a little bit of touch up though. Because even though it does look like good, it looks really natural. That's something that I'm realizing. It looks really natural. It looks nice. Like, it looks, like, I wouldn't say it looks like airbrush finish, but it definitely looks good, guys. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna touch up my face a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and, like, just show you guys. So I'm gonna take a picture now and, like, show you guys now what it looks like. And then I'm gonna touch it up and then come back and talk to you guys a little bit. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, I did my contour before my awesome foundation, and it came out great. Wow, the sun just came out as I was talking. This is perfect. Yes. Let me not get too excited. So yes, so as you guys just saw, I did my contour before my foundation, and I honestly think it came out really well. I'm trying not to use my hands so much in clips. I think it came out really well. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to upload beauty-related videos once a week, so please stay tuned. If you guys like this, definitely try it out. I want to hear what you guys think, how it came out for you, so leave that in the comment below.